If you've never done yoga in your life, if you can touch your toes, if you're pretty sure your body doesn't bend, you're in exactly the right place. This is 15 minutes for absolute beginners. No experience, no flexibility, no judgment. Emiya, let's start. All you need is a bit of floor. A mat is nice, a towel works too. Quick note, nothing today should hurt. Discomfort, okay. Pain, never. If something feels wrong, ease off. Deal? Deal. Sit any way that's comfortable, cross-legged or on a cushion, or even on a chair. Rest your hands on your knees. Close your eyes if you like. Breathe in through your nose for 4 counts, and out for 6. Pause 60s. Longer exhales tell your nervous system, we're safe. We can relax. Come to hands and knees, wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. Inhale, drop the belly, lift your gaze. This is cow. Exhale, round your spine like an angry cat. Push the floor away. That's cat. Pause 40s. Move with your own breath, not mine. Tuck your toes, lift your hips up and back, downward dog. Now the secret nobody tells beginners. Bend your knees generously. This pose is about a long spine, not straight legs. Shaking arms, totally normal. That's just your body learning. Also, yes, it's named after dogs for a reason. If your wrists are sensitive, come down onto your forearms instead. Same stretch, less pressure. Step one foot forward into a low lunge. Back knee rests on the floor. Fold your towel or mat under it if the floor is hard on you. Front knee stays right over the front ankle, never past your toes. Only dip as low as feels easy. There's no bonus points for going deeper. If you have a recent knee or hip injury, skip this one and just breathe in child's pose instead. Now the other leg forward, pause 30s. Come up to standing. Step your feet wide apart. Turn your front foot forward, back foot in slightly. Bend your front knee. The secret here is keeping that knee stacked right over your ankle, never letting it cave inward or travel past your toes. Arms reach wide at shoulder height, shoulders relaxed away from your ears. If your knee feels any strain, shorten your stance. A smaller warrior 2 is still warrior 2. Same shape, other side. Sit down, legs stretched out in front of you. Bend your knees generously, as much as you need. There's no shame in a lot of bend. Reach for your shins, your ankles, or your feet, wherever you land today. This was never about touching your toes. It's about a long spine. rounding your back and forcing the stretch. Never do that. And if you have any lower back issues, keep your spine tall and skip the deep fold altogether. Just sit tall and breathe. Lie down. Let your feet fall open, palms up. You did the hardest part. You started. Slowly wiggle your fingers and toes. Roll to one side, and then come up to sitting. That's day one. Not perfect. Done? And done beats perfect every single time. Next video, the 5 poses beginners usually get wrong and how to fix them in seconds. See you on the mat.